Hi class, this is quiz question number 5. It's looking for a horizontal stretch of the graph of f of x. So for a horizontal stretch, that means that because it's horizontal, the k will be attached to x. Doesn't mean that the whole function will be multiplied by k. It means that the k will just be multiplied by the x. And then if it's a stretch in the horizontal direction, that means that k has to be small. So k will be less than 1 if I have a horizontal stretch, and k will be attached to the x. So if I look at option A, I have 0.3 times x, otherwise everything else is exactly the same as my original function. So option A looks like a good option. Let's double check that by looking at our other options. Option B is also a horizontal stretch because I multiply just my x coordinate by 3, but this is actually a horizontal compression. It's attached to the x, but because it's bigger than 1, this one would be a horizontal compression because k is 3 and 3 is bigger than 1. Letter C is taking our function and multiplying it by 0.3. That's going to be a vertical stretch. It's actually going to be a vertical compression because the k is less than 1. And letter D is also going to be a vertical change because we're multiplying by 3. A is the only one that's a horizontal stretch because A is the one that multiplies just the x coordinate by k, and k is less than 1.